Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to swap or buy the DOT token. So first of all, you're just gonna need to have a wallet. In this video I have the MetaMask wallet. If you don't have this wallet, you'll simply find how to create a MetaMask wallet down below on our channel. So let's say you already have the MetaMask wallet. All you need to do is just come here to the CoinMarketCap website, then go here to search, then just simply type DOT, just press at Polkadot here. When you do that, you'll just come here to more, press at more, then make sure to copy the Binance Smart Chain address. When you press here in this icon, they will copy the address of Polkadot on the Binance Smart Chain network. When you do that and copy the address, all you need to do is go to the Pancakeswap website. After you do that, you'll just hover this trade section, then go to swap. After you do that, you will just need to connect your wallet, because I already connect my wallet here. Let me disconnect it first. So let's say you never entered this website before. All you need to do is just press connect wallet, then press MetaMask. They will ask you to press next, then connect. Because I already connect my wallet here, they didn't ask me to do that. But if it's your first time, you'll just need to press next and then connect. So let's say you already connected your wallet. All you need to do is press here at cake, then paste the address that you copied, then press at import. I understand, import. So that's it. Let's say for example you have 5 BNB. So if you swap 5 BNB to the DOT token, you'll get 106 DOT token. You'll just need to press swap, and that's it. You'll have your DOT token. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy and you like the video, and if you do, please like the video and let a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe.